some of you guys may know, you may not, I've started my own company called PainTeX. It's a play on the word paint technicians, and this is our first offering, which is the PainTeX UV chip repair kit. And although it does chips and stuff, it was predominantly made to fix silicons and scratches and stuff like that. So we all know as painters, you'll get silicons from time to time, and we put super glue in them and we try and leave clear coat in them and stuff overnight and sand them flat in the morning. But this is kind of like almost an instant fix. So we've come up with our own recipe, UV clear coat. You get 100 grams of that, or 100 mil of that even. You get 100 applicator sticks. These are microfine sort of touch-up brushes. They're handy for base coat as well if you ever miss a chip in the middle of a door or whatever. That, you know, a blend panel, just dab it in and clear over the top. Beautiful. You also get the 51 LED torch in the kit. It takes 3 AA batteries, which are included. But yeah, you sort of do your silicons as normal. You kind of touch them up. And there's a couple of different ways to do it. So I'm doing 4 here out of the few that we sort of fabricated, and they're quite difficult to fabricate your own sort of silicons. But what we're doing is we're just touching them up as normal. But you'll see the bottom 2 here, I'm actually going to cover in a transparent plastic, which we do sell on the website. Just like a film. But you can place it on the top and you can actually push it down. So instead of when you come to sand it, you can normally get that dome. That's not there anymore. It's basically flat, so it makes your life a little bit easier to flat. But there's different ways, and people do things in different ways. So I'm just showing you what I do here. But because the plastic sheets are transparent, the UV ray goes right through it, cures it almost instantly. A couple of seconds. I say a couple of seconds, depending on how thick you put it. If you do a really big blob, it might take slightly longer to cure fully. But you can see, you can just pull that off, and I like to reuse it. I just keep it in the carry case here. These are not included in the kit, but the sanding block is, so I like to just keep sandpaper in the back. But you get this handy little rubbing block within the kit, and you'll see here, I'm just going to tickle these so you can kind of, it doesn't show up that well on camera to show where the silicons are, or the clear coat that we filled it in, just so you can get a little bit better look at what happens after the clear's been applied. So I just wipe that, and you can see on the bottom, they're the ones that we squashed flat under the light. You see here, and then these top ones, they've still got a bit of a dome on the top of them, but you can see them bottom ones. I really do favour that at the minute, is just having them flat. Put that piece of plastic on there, dab it down, and give it a quick tickle. I think this is P1500 on here, or P2000, I really can't remember. And then just give it a quick tickle. Just use your polish system as normal. I really do like the G360, and that's just because I'm lazy and don't want to go through all the polishing steps of the other brands. And you'll see I'm doing this by hand. I'm just doing this quick little demo. And the nice thing about our clear coat is it sands nicely. You don't really have to attack it, it just sands down flat. So a quick 1500, 2000, 3000, and then just a little polish here, and you'll see how well this comes up. And if you compare this is where the value of the kit is. If you compare this to accidentally burning through a panel, this kit pays for itself. So, you know, check it out on paintex.shop. Look at that, as if it was never there. So check us out. We'll leave a link in the description, and get yours today. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate the support. Like I say, I'll leave a link in the description, maybe even a cheeky little discount code as well. Thanks for watching, guys.